Let's look at what you would pay in income taxes in previous generations when the debt was so high that the U.S. government had to raise taxes to reduce the debt. Someone making $50,000 today would be in a 12% marginal tax bracket, and at an effective tax rate of 11%, they would pay $5,560. If we adjust that $50,000 back to 1985, 75, 65, 55, and 45, the 40 years that we paid off the debt from World War II, you can see what the income levels would be in those dollars. And you can see what the marginal tax brackets would be and the effective tax rates would be for taxpayers earning that much money according to the tax code in play at the time. And what we did finally was take the amount of money that they would have paid in taxes on those dollars and then adjusted it back to 2023 dollars to account for inflation. So somebody making $50,000 today would pay $5,560 in taxes, but back in 1985, that would have been about the same amount at $5,596. But $8,800 here in 75, $8,100 here, $10,000 here, and $11,008 here. Right after World War II, the greatest generation paid the highest income tax rates in the history of the United States. And of that $50,000, almost $12,000 would go to Uncle Sam. Now let's take this number and increase it to, say, $200,000 in today's dollars. That would put someone in a 17% effective tax rate, but in these other years, it would be much higher. And look at the marginal tax bracket. 24% goes to 42 here, 42, 32, 34, 41. So it's getting close to double when you get up to more significant income. And in today's dollars, that $34,000 would have been 54, 56, 44, 50, and 62,000 in 1945. Finally, let's take somebody making a great deal of money, $2 million. This year they'd be in a 37% marginal tax bracket, but in 85 that would have been a 50% rate. In 1975, 70%, 70% here, 84% here, and 92% here. So somebody making $118,000 or more in 1945 would be paying 92 cents on the dollar for the next dollar that they earned. And that $670,000 bill would be $940 here, $1.2 million here, and $1.47 million here, or twice as much as a person making $2 million today.